I'm looking at her, and yet she doesn't know it. What if I was someone watching me read? Oh, this feels weird. I should probably tell the guys.
Hey, have you ever realized that the definition of factorials just uses a factorial as its definition? That's really self-recurring.
Yeah, that's cool, but I asked you to tell me the lotto numbers for today.
Yeah, here they are. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21.
You know, that's the Fibonacci sequence.
Hey guys!
Hey Martina, what was the date we had to film the movie?
I think 9th of November?
Oh, that's today's date.
So that explains why everything feels normal, yet so weird. What are we going to do?
I don't know, we can just turn off the camera, I mean. It turns it's not that easy.
Of course it's not that easy. Look, Martina, you're the director. You're the only hope to get us out of here.
Okay, chill, bro. How do you want me to smart someone who's as smart as me and almost under their control? I mean, either way, the film is going to end in less than 5 minutes. The professor said it should be from 2 to 5 minutes, so don't worry.
Oh, you think it's that simple? But what about us? Our higher selves will continue living, and what will happen to us? What do you think?
Who cares? You're in a film. You can do anything in a film. You can do anything in a film!
And what about you? How are you spending your last 3 minutes?
Doing what I would have done anyway, math. Hey, what about you? You seem stressed. What a weird way to spend your last minutes.